Hey guys, happy Monday and welcome back to another vlog. As you saw, I had Chip for a walk. So this Monday is going to be pretty chill, just like houseworky stuff because yesterday I didn't do much at all in the house, so it's kind of a disaster. Right now I have the bedclothes in the washer and I'm going to remake the bed. I've already started there and fold this laundry, and I'll check in with you later. Hey guys, it's much later now. I probably look the exact same to you as I normally do, but I just feel like a total slob today because my hair is like extremely frizzy. I have these little guys on my face. Didn't fill in my eyebrows or put mascara on today, but we're going with it. I'm on vacation. These bubbly things, I just wanted to like them so much. Like, everyone goes on about them, how great they are. And like, I want to like them because they're 0 calories. And instead of having like iced tea that's like 1,000,000 calories, I could have one of these. Most of the day I just drink water, but these waters are 0 calories, and I described the taste of them I described the taste of them as TV static. I've heard someone say that before and I'm like, it's exactly what they taste like. It's just like bubbly nothingness. So I have a hack for you. If you really want it to just be a little bit more flavored but still 0 calories, just buy like water flavoring, and this is also 0 calories, and you can just put a little squirt of it in and then it'll taste better. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and I'm sitting outside in the sun because it's like 30 degrees outside and I want to soak some of it up before it gets extremely hot out. I bought these chairs for a bonfire, but I just put 2 of them together and kind of put my legs up. I am probably the palest person you know, but I have my bubbly and I'm just gonna sit out here for a few minutes. Nothing crazy. Got sunscreen on, don't worry. I didn't show the cake that I decorated last night. It was for my cousin. It had boiled icing on it. I forgot to take a picture of it. It was just pink boiled icing and then some sprinkles. I delivered that this morning before it got too hot. And today all I have planned is this. I'm gonna try to relax and do nothing today. And then later on I have a pedicure booked. That's all I have planned for today, so I'll talk to you later. Okay, so I didn't sit out in the sun very long because it was just so hot. And so I came back in, got a shower, got all the sunscreen off, and now I'm on my way to my nail appointment. Hey guys, it's Wednesday. Just about to take Chip for a walk, and then I have to clean this house. I didn't clean the dishes last night. I have to do something with those containers. I have to vacuum, and yeah, so I'm gonna take Chip for a walk and then we'll clean the house. On my list of things I had to get done while I was off, I want to wash all the curtains. The bedroom one was already washed, but I want to wash the one in the dining room and the living room. And then over here in the kitchen, I want to wash that one. And then over here as well. Since it's not as hot outside today, I don't need the curtains closed. I'm going to take all the curtains down and throw them in the washer. Okay, so these are all of my plastic Tupperware. I originally just had this box. This is just like Tupperware that came in like packs from Costco. I do have all of my glass dishes over here, but I try not to keep any plastic in here, just glass so I can keep it separated. But all the plastic stuff has a home in that bottom drawer over there by Chip. So lately I've just been kind of like stacking up the lids together and then putting the containers all in here. But I think what I'm gonna do is take everything and sort it out so everything has its lid, and then throw away everything that doesn't match. Okay, so this is everything that I'm keeping, and I'm gonna get rid of this stuff because some of it's broken or these lids don't even fit a container. So I'm gonna get rid of that. So now I'm gonna break all of these down and kind of stack them in so they're more organized. I'm taking some clothing and some shoes to a consignment shop. It's close to where I live, but I think they take your clothes. She looks at them. If she thinks they're like appropriate for the season, she'll take them and sell them. And then if she sells them, you can come back and collect your money. If not, then they can just get donated, which I think is fine. Like, I would have donated this all anyways. A few jackets, dresses, and stuff that I know I'm not gonna wear. And then I have a pair of Sperry's. They look a little bit worn, but I honestly probably wore them 2 times because they didn't fit right. And then I have this purse that I know is very outdated, but I think I've had it since like 2009. And I don't know why I bought it. I bought it at Winners. It's Jessica Simpson. I went through a bow phase where I was obsessed with bows, and this is the purse. And it opens up. It's like a little clutch. I don't think they're cool anymore. I don't think she's gonna take it, but like, I'm gonna donate it because like, I don't want it anymore. But like, I can't throw this away. Maybe somebody is into this. So I'm gonna take that and 2 other purses as well. Just leaving Walmart, but there's a donation bin here, and I have a bag of clothes that can be donated. Be right back. Okay. So I had a bag to donate, and I did go to the consignment shop. So how the consignment shop works is you take your clean items of clothing and drop them off, and they give you a number. If you haven't done it before, they give you like an account number, I guess. So they keep your items for up to 2 months, and you can call in and check to see how they're doing. If they sell anything, I think you get 40% of what they sell. So I think I'm just gonna leave it there for the 2 months. It was stuff I can't wear anyways because it's too small, so see if they can sell it. So I just left Walmart, and I went in for like 2 things, and then I ended up getting like groceries. So I'm on my way home now, and I can check in and let you know what I got at Walmart. Okay, so I'm back from Walmart. I'm just gonna show you what I got. I got a case of bubbly water for me and a case of Diet Crush for Seamus. And then Miss Vicky's original chips. They're like kettle cooked, they're really good. These crispers were 3 for $5, so I got 3 different ones. Cap socks. Lysol wipes, these are my favorite ones. And I got a lot of chocolate for my Father's Day brownies, so I got a big bag of mini peanut butter cups. Dairy Milk buttons, I'm going to test those out to see if I like them before I buy a bigger bag. And then caramel bars, and at Walmart the bars are like 3 for $9, and there's 4 in each pack. Okay, and then for like groceries, I got a Southwest salad kit, a thing of mushrooms, strawberries, sausages for the barbecue, and then I got these. They were only $7 for 4 of them, and it's pork loin, center cut chops, and they have Montreal steak spice on them already. Then we need ketchup. I got some pickles. I got this peach flavored Mio, and I use this in the bubbly because I don't think the bubbly has enough taste. We got some Gala apples and a yellow pepper. That's everything I got at Walmart. Oh, and I also got a doormat for Walmart. It's just like a black doormat that I have like outside the door. All right, so I have all the ingredients out to make the brownies, and I'm gonna trial the Father's Day brownies in these little tins and see how they go. I don't know how many flavors I'm gonna offer. Right now, I think I'm gonna do a peanut butter one, Oreo, and then I'm gonna do a chocolate s'mores. Okay guys, I got ahead of myself and I stopped filming once I was mixing everything together, but I have the brownie things all together and I'm gonna show you now. So here they are before I put them in the oven. You have the s'mores, the Oreo, and the Reese's peanut butter cup. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven and we'll see what they look like after. Okay, so I just took them out of the oven and they look really good. I think I'll put like a chocolate drizzle on that one, a like glaze on this one, and then peanut butter on this one. So I'm just gonna let them cool completely before I do that. Okay guys, I finished up with the brownies for the night. I'll insert a picture here, and over here, and over here, and over here. They do cost a little bit to make, so I don't know if I sell them and people are gonna wanna pay for them. That's the thing. But I might post it and just see if anyone wants to buy them. But all right, I cut them all into little pieces. So here they are in little pieces. That's the Oreo, s'more, and the peanut butter. So I'm probably going to give these to some of my family and friends, just as testers. Good morning, it's Thursday, and me and Chip are just getting ready to go for our morning walk. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to make a chocolate cake for my niece's birthday. Her birthday is the day after mine. It's gonna be like a rectangle shaped cake. So I have a big pan here, and then what I'll do is like cut it into 3 long strips and stack it. So I'm gonna do a double chocolate cake. A lot of people are asking for some cake recipes. I'm just not ready to share them yet. They will be coming soon. Like this video if you really wanna see them, and then maybe I'll share them, but just not yet. So I'm gonna go ahead, I have all my ingredients here, and I'll mix that up. Okay, so a lot of time has gone by since I talked to you last. I had breakfast, I watched a movie, the cake cooled completely, I had Chip outside, I put a new load of laundry in, folded some laundry, and now I am here, and I just cut the cake into 3 pieces. I'll show you that now. So it's a pretty thick cake. I want it to be nice and tall. I was gonna trim the top off a little bit, but I think I'm gonna leave it and just try and fill it with buttercream because it's not that uneven. So again, this is for my niece, and the theme is just rainbow themed, so she likes all the colors. So I'm just gonna I think I'm gonna do like white icing all around, and then kind of like splash the colors along the side with different kinds of buttercream. So I'm gonna wrap each individual piece up, and then we'll get decorating tomorrow. Hey guys, it's much later now. It's kind of storming outside, so it's like dreary and cold, but I just wanted to capture this moment of Chip cuddling me on the couch. Hey Chippy. I have to take him outside, but I don't want it to go outside yet because it's storming. We're not doing anything crazy tonight. We're just waiting for Seamus to get home. Then I'm gonna cook supper. I haven't decided if we're having breakfast for supper or if Seamus is gonna barbecue. But it's honestly like a big rainstorm, so probably breakfast for supper, maybe? What do you think, Chip? Hey guys, it's Friday, another day, same hat. This is the hairstyle that I've been going with because I've been wearing this hat so many days in a row that my hair is so flat. It needs to be washed today, but I'm going for a walk with Chip, so this is what I'm wearing. Also, my hair needs to be colored, so we're hiding it with this. Anyways, I'm just here with my planner, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do today. And because tomorrow is my birthday, I think I'm gonna jam pack everything in today that I wanna get done around the house so then I don't have to do it tomorrow. I need to edit this video, so this is gonna be the last day of this video. I need to pick up Chip's meds at the vet. I need to go to the dollar store and the bulk barn. I need to send my hours for work, even though I didn't work. They need to know like the days I should have been working. Clean the bathroom and do the floors. So I'm gonna try to get all that done. And right now, I'm gonna take Chipper for a little walk. We're going for the big walk or the little walk? It's really sunny outside right now, but I don't think it's like too warm. If it's not too warm, I think Chip and I will go on the longer walk. Okay guys, it's much later in the day. It's 20 to 3 and I just got home. I had to go to a few places. I went to the Bulk Barn, dollar store, Walmart, and that's it. So I'm just gonna show you what I got. So at the Bulk Barn, I got a cake board because I need this for my niece's cake. I bought these candles too. They might already have candles, but they're like rainbow candles, and I thought that they would look cute on the cake because it's a rainbow cake. And then I got this little pan because I'm gonna make Jenna and Justin like a pasta thing so they don't have to cook. Okay. And then at Walmart, I got the two fusilli pastas, and then a couple of these tomato sauce. Seamus might be allergic to onion, and this one doesn't have onion in it. If you're looking for a tomato sauce with no onion in it, this one works. So I got a couple of those, and then I got a couple of these crushed tomato paste as well. Also at Walmart, I had to buy these ant traps because I've seen a few ants around the house. I usually put one of these in the porch, and then I hide them around like away from Chip so he can't get them, but I might put a few outside too. And then at Superstore, the 10 kg of Robin Hood flour was on sale for like $8.99 maybe, and sometimes they're like $16, so I got one of those. I got another big thing of baking powder because I was running low. I got some whipping cream because I don't have much left. I picked up a Father's Day card because Father's Day is next weekend. And then these are our well, I guess I can't speak for Seamus, but these are my favorite kind of chips, these Miss Vicky ones. It's like they're like crunchier or something. They're just so good, like kettle cooked chips. And then all I got was some ground beef, so a couple of those. So I'm gonna put all this away. And I did get 2 parcels and I'm not sure what they were, so I might open those on camera too. So I have 2 packages here. I know this one is a sports bra, so I won't be showing you that, but this one says it's from Uline. I don't remember ordering anything. It's like, Uline is like a paper company, I think. I don't know what this is. This is my Amazon package. This is my Amazon package. I ordered it yesterday and it came. Especially where we live in Nova Scotia, like, it never comes next day. Like, I know there's places in the States that you can order like Amazon same day delivery, but like, this is mint. It's like to keep your pop in the fridge, so I'm gonna do that. Seamus drinks Diet Pop and I drink that bubbly stuff, so I can't wait to put those in the fridge. So exciting. I'm gonna go put these in the fridge and I'll show you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm not gonna decorate the cake tonight. I'm gonna decorate tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching.